You are blessing people from the crown of their heads to the tip of their toes. And here's a blessing right in front of you.
Right here.
And I am a witness of that. And
Yes.
I thank God that He has anointed your hands and your heart to be a blessing to cancer patients and others. And I'm leaving here happy and filled in my heart that you are here providing this wonderful service so I can look pretty.
Yes.
You are
yes.
so
yes.
beautiful.
Yes.
Thanks to Shar.
You are welcome. Thank you, lady.